We are totally delighted that this process is complete and very happy to have Air India back in the Tata Group. We look forward to working with everyone to create a world-class airline.
The government on Thursday officially handed over Air India to the Tata Group. Tata Sons chairman N. Chandrasekaran said the group is very happy to have Air India back in its fold. Department of Investment and Public Assets Management Secretary Tuhin Kanta Pandey told reporters that Air India has been handed over to the Talas Private Limited, a subsidiary of the Tata Group's holding company, which is the successful bidder. Speaking to the reporters, Chandrasekaran said, "We are totally delighted that the takeover process of Air India is complete. We are happy to have Air India back in the Tata Group. We look forward to working with everyone to create a world-class airline," he added. After a competitive bidding process, the government had on October 8 last year sold Air India to Talas Private Limited for Rs 18,000 crore.